Hey everyone, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. I just wanted to mention a great product that I found for my hair on Amazon. I was looking on Amazon for a wider diameter curling iron. The one I have here, I think this is in 1 inch, and I was looking for a 1.5 inch diameter curling wand because I wanted to get what you see right here, these kind of very, very loose, just kind of loose body waves that I have in my hair right now. But I didn't want to spend, $50, $100 or $150 on one. So I looked on Amazon and I found this, and I love it. It's from Conair, and let me give you the exact name of it. It is the Conair Double Ceramic 1.5 inch curling iron. Soft waves. It doesn't make your hair look too curly, but it does get some of the kind of the bed head out of your hair. And the price that I paid for this, I think was $18, which is, I think, a great deal for a very good curling wand. So I wanted to mention it. I will leave a link for this down in my description box in case you are looking for a wider curling iron that can give you really kind of nice, loose body, take all the sleepy kink out of your hair, not make your hair look straight, but still give it enough body that you can, give it kind of a modern look with just a little bit of a soft twist. Love this. Just want to let you know about it. Take care, guys. Bye-bye from Marla.